Ayan guys, happy birthday to me. Happy 51st birthday to me. Sabihin ko sanang happy 51st anniversary. Ayan guys, ang liit-liit ng cake. Diyos ko, kamahal. Grabe. Ayoko nang umorder. Mag-enjoy na lang muna tayo sa maliit na cake ko guys. Ayan. Ang liit guys. Wala pang isang dangkal. Anyan lang Ang isang dangaw, ayan. Wala guys. Ayan maliit siya. Tingnan mo. 18 euros! Pasaway! Ayan guys, happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. Happy 51 birthday to me. Ayan guys, maraming salamat at nadagdagan na naman ng isang taon yung